Hello friend, welcome back to another video. This is Shafiq and you are watching my YouTube channel Mobile Info RYK. In this video I tell you about if Snapchat notification not show on your iPhone, how to fix it. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get start video. First we open setting app, click on journal and software update. We check our software update. Now you can see here our update is iOS 15.4. After check the software update, go back. Now click on notifications. Scroll down and click on Snapchat. You can see here notifications of turn it on and turn on all the notifications that show here and go back. Open Snapchat account, click on profile and click on setting. Now you can see here the option notification, click on it. Now you can see here many notifications appear on screen. Turn on all notification one by one. So guys, in this way you can easily fix if Snapchat notification not show on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helped you to fix that issue, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.